Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning how to solve matrices. We have two matrices here. We have A equals 1, 1, 2, 1, I equals 1, 0, 6, 1. And we have three questions that we're going to do here today. So the first question is A squared, which means A times A. Now this means that you have to repeat the same matrix all over again, like here, like down here. See? This twice means this times this. On the left side, okay, let me just tell you something very important here. On the left side, it's all about whether it's top or the bottom here. But on the second matrix, it's all about the left or right. So this is how we're going to solve it. Now, the reason why I put this here is because this should make it easy for you to be able to do the multiplication. Now, for this side, for this bracket, it's all about up and down, right? So the first number is 1, which is up, top. And for this one is 1, which is left. On the side is left, on the left side. Therefore, 1 times 1 equals 1 times 1. Okay, 1 times 1 here. 1 times 1 here. Which means 1 times 1. You put it inside here. For the second one, okay, so now we're going to the next bottom here. The next one. We're going to the next one. 1 times 1, right, this one is at the bottom and this one is still on the left, therefore bottom left. It's 1 times 1 here, 1 times 1. Now we're moving on to the next row here. 2 times 1. Now we're going to the bottom number here. 2 times 1 equals 2 times 1, well, equals 2. You can put 2 times 1 here if you want, because this number is at the top. And this other bracket here shows it's all about the sides here. This one is at the left. Now for this part here. This one at the bottom, 1 on the left. 1 times 1. And we can continue the same thing. For this is the row now. This row is on the right. 2 times 1. Now we're going to the bottom here. Bottom right. 2 times 1 as well. 2. Okay, now we're going to the top side here. We're going for top right. 2 times 1. Now for this last part here. Okay, the last part, this last bracket here is bottom and right. 1 times 1. Next part, this is equal to 1, so we just scratch it out. You can make this 1. This one, 2 times 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 means 3 here. See? Because this bracket is for this position here. Same will go for here, but this time it's at the bottom left. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2, we're going to the side now, plus 2 times 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Now we're going down here, the final part, 2 times 1, 2, 1 times 1, 1, 2 plus 1 will be 3. Which is the answer here. 3, 4, 2, 3. Now moving on to B. 2A, which is simple as any number times 2 here. 2A is this whole bracket times 2. So we'll do this very easily. 1 times 2 here means 2. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 1 times 2, 2. Here's the answer. For this question, a squared minus 2a minus I. Okay, this is the last part here. This is the purpose of the I now. It's for the third question. So let's get ready for that. So what do we have as answers so far? Before we get there, let's take a look at the answers. For the first question, we have this 3, 2, 4, 3. Right, so here's the next part here. You can see question C. For question A, it is 3, 2, 4, 3. For this one, for 2a, it is 2, 2, 4, 2. And for I, of course, it's just going to be this one. 1, 0, 6, 1. Here. Right, so this minus this minus this. Alright, let's get to it again. Now, first of all, before we get to this part, let's subtract. It's going to be really easy. For us, it's going to be 3 minus 2 is 1 here. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Now that we've done this one, let's go to the next part. The last stage here, the last part. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. We have it, the answer.